Is it possible to make 8,000 using supply and demand combined with candlestick psychology? In this video, I'm going to show you the cons and pros of this strategy. Make sure you watch the entire video. There will be multiple pro tips for you to enhance your win rate, whether you are a beginner or experienced trader. The settings for the platform will be 30 seconds time frame using Japanese candle, 1 minute expiration, standard time, okay, not the frog one, the standard, and then yeah, that's it. Okay, so I was waiting here for the perfect entry, guys. That's the reason why I entered late on this trade here. But yeah, welcome back to my channel, everyone. Today I'm gonna be trading supply and demand. Okay, now for people who are new, I like to draw my zone so you guys could see where I'm coming from. Okay, as you see right here, the reason for me taking this was I saw that the price rejected from my demand area. I'm in the trend direction. What else? I see that there was a gap down, okay, and I went against this breakaway gap, which isn't cool, but you know, there's no 100% in the market, so sometimes the gap will fail, and at this point it failed right here, which is good for me. But the main thing right there is because I saw the rejection from the supply demand area, and that's the reason why I took this trade here. Let's find another opportunity. Okay, one more. Nice. As you guys see right here, we're in a demand area. Lovely. See that? The price closed inside of it. Let me see. I'm with the direction of the trend, as you see. Rally base rally. A bigger rally base rally. This one is much complicated, but yeah, it's clear though. If you look right here, rally base rally going higher. Watch my mouse, you know, if you want to see what I'm really pointing at. Anyway, yeah, so we have a inside gap right here, so I'm expecting this to be closed right now. This candle was a super strong candle, so this means the price will continue my direction, plus the momentum is on my side, plus I'm coming from the demand area. I'm not expecting the price to even close below my entry. Like, it's not even possible because there's so much things in my favor. The probability is so high, and yeah, this trade is a nice one. Beautiful. I don't remember the name of this pattern here, but let me show you some. This is so interesting. I'm trying to remember the name of this pattern, guys. So this is a supply area, but this is a pattern. What is it called? Tree bar. I'm going to put the name of it here, but this pattern is a super strong one, and I could tell that this trade will close in a plus. Now we have a continuation sign and a breakaway gap right here. We are with the trend. This is a short shot. This trade is so clean. I put enough on it, you know. I don't want to be too crazy in the markets these days. But yeah, this trade is so satisfying. I'm not gonna lie. Like, it's so clean, so perfect. This trade is what they call picture perfect. I'm not lying. This trade is so nice, man. It's a long time ago. Oh, I almost missed this trade, everyone. I almost missed this trade, man. This trade is very nice. I'm not gonna lie. You see that the price closed right inside of it. Very clean. Very clean trade. Very, very clean trade. This chart is very clean. We're in a ranging market, which is pretty nice, plus we are with the smaller trend. Okay, so yeah, this was a nice American candle, so I'm expecting some push in the upward direction. Not just a hammer, I could see it's a continuation sign. I just noticed that, so therefore there will be a continuation of pushing in my direction, and that's what's going on right now. Yeah, today is a very, very, very clean market. I'm not gonna lie, the market is just very fruitful. So I'm taking another trade here again. I could see this 3-bar going higher, and this close as a nice hammer candle continuation sign. I'm in the direction of the smaller trend. I'm in a bigger ranging market, but remember, in binary option, what we mainly focus on is the smaller trend, mainly because we want our entry to be very accurate. You know, in forex, your entry can be bad, but as long as the price doesn't reach your take profit or stop loss, your stop loss, you don't really get knocked out of the trade until it reaches. But in binary option, that's not the case. It's about expiration. So therefore, you need to have a very, very accurate entry. All right, you need to. It's mandatory, and that's the reason why you have to go with the smaller trend, because the smaller trend is the current momentum of the market. All right, that's a pro tip for today. I have another pro tip also, but yeah, that's one. Let's find another opportunity. Nice, beautiful. I want to elaborate on something, right? Let me show you guys a psychological thing. I don't want to say, let me show you a psychological thing. You know what's the weird thing about trading? When a person becomes profitable, for some reason, you have some people who envy that. But yet still, instead of they try to learn from the person, they envy the person. That's a little bit dumb to me, because I think the best thing is to learn from that person, not envy. Because before I was profitable, anyone who I know was profitable, I wanted to learn from you. Okay? And it's like, some people feels like it's impossible to be profitable. Then why are you trading? Find another career. Simple. If you don't think it's possible. Okay. Alright, we took this trade right here, everyone. As you are seeing for this trade, it's a little bit, it's okay, because I'm in the direction of the trend. The momentum is on my side. It's just that I saw something up there, I took the trade, which give me an unease feeling, but it's okay. The trade will close as a plus. As I was saying to you guys previously, to master trading, you will need knowledge. You need the right knowledge at the end of the day. You see what I'm saying? It's not that difficult as some people proclaim it to be, right? When a person make it proclaim to be difficult, it's because they don't master it. That's the whole thing. And I have learned that by mastering it, and then when I master it, I realize that it becomes very easy. It seems like second nature. But when you're learning it, it feels like it's hard. It's so crazy. It's so crazy. I'm taking 2 more trades here again, and I want to elaborate some more on the psychology aspect, because I feel like in binary option there's no one really speaking much about the psychological aspect of trading, and that's very crazy to me. But yeah, you have to believe in yourself to achieve what you want. You see what I'm saying? Because I was at this place before I become profitable, where I used to think that to have a high win rate was impossible. Until I have a high win rate, I realized, okay, it's possible. It just requires knowledge, proper knowledge, and proper studying. And that's the reason why I created the mentorship, to mentor people and help them cross that line of becoming profitable from unprofitable, right? And the mentorship is designed in such an easy way anyone could learn. If you're interested, use the link in the description to apply for the mentorship. Yeah, so as I was saying previously about psychology, your psychology is just as important as the strategy. You see that sniper entry there? Because I am at peace with trading, so I learned very quickly, and all of this was happened due to the fact that I realized that it's okay to take a losing trade, and By doing that, you pay attention more. It's a hack, guys. You wouldn't even know. Like, the more you are comfortable with winning and losing and it doesn't affect you, then you start to realize everything in the market. But when you're scared to lose, you don't pay attention when you're losing. You only pay attention when you're winning. Nice. So guys, we were previously here and we won the rejection trade. We took it right here. Then now the price came and closed inside of it, and we got a nice. This is just a continuation sign basically, but it is a strong one though, right? And based on candlestick psychology, and another thing, when I say candlestick psychology, it's a fairly broad topic, right? That's the reason why I say it instead of explaining it, even though I'm explaining it with everything I say. But I mean, like, you know, the difference between the YouTube videos and the mentorship is that the YouTube videos, I'm actually showing you the strategies, but in the mentorship, I break down the strategies step by step so that you can follow them step by step and become profitable step by step. It's all a process. Okay? This will be the end of my video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.